Have you ever wondered how life unfolds on a farm? Well, buckle up, because today we're taking an imaginary journey to the countryside to meet some fascinating farm animals. First, imagine hearing a cock-a-doodle-doo. That's the rooster, the farm's early bird. He's feathered and fabulous with a bright red comb on his head. Roosters are nature's alarm clocks, waking everyone up at the crack of dawn. Next, we encounter the clucking hens. They are the queens of the chicken coop, laying fresh eggs for the farm. Did you know that some hens can lay up to 250 eggs a year? That's a lot of breakfasts. Let's trot over to the pig pen now. Pigs are pink, plump, and love to roll in the mud. Despite their messy habits, pigs are very smart. Some say even smarter than dogs. Moving on, we come across the sheep with their fluffy wool coats. They might seem shy, but they are incredibly friendly. Their wool is sheared once a year and is used to make warm clothing. Next on our journey, we find the cows. These gentle giants are the milk producers of the farm. Believe it or not, a single cow can produce up to 22,000 pounds of milk in a year. And let's not forget the horses, with their strong muscles and flowing manes. Horses were once the primary source of transportation, and they still carry loads on farms today. Finally, we come to the barn cat, a small but mighty member of the farm family. They keep the farm free of pests and are excellent hunters. So, we've met the rooster, the hen, the pig, the sheep, the cow, the horse, and the cat, each with their unique role on the farm. From the break of dawn with the rooster's call to the quiet of night with the cat on the prowl, they all contribute to the bustling life of the farm. Remember, every animal has its place and purpose. Just like these farm animals, each of us has unique talents and abilities to contribute to the world. So the next time you think of a farm, remember the incredible animals that call it home.